going to take a picture of the mayor. Important portrait to do now, civic portrait to go on show at the council house in Dudley, and it's a picture of the mayor. I do it every year, I've done it for about 22 years. There's whole rows of them there. And now I've arrived, let's have a look at the photos. Now what we actually have here are the pictures of the mayor going back years and years and years. Look at this, all these old pictures of the mayor. They're a mayor for 1 year and they go all the way back to the early 1930s, 20s. Anyhow, these more recent pictures of the last 20 or so years, look, follow a pattern. And they're all my pictures. I've been doing these for a number of years for this particular council, and today it's time to add to the portrait gallery because we've got a new mayor to go here, so we need a new portrait. It's going to follow the same lines as all the others, and if you can see in the background there's a castle. Can you see that there? The castle, and that's Dudley Castle on top of the hill, and you can see it from one particular room, committee room 1, and we're going to go there to do the portrait, and we're going to need a lot of flash, particularly on a sunny day like today, to balance the interior and exterior light so that we can see the castle. The council house is closed at the moment for COVID, and there are some contractors doing work, so we've got to keep out of their way. Right, let's get this kit and let's get it up these stairs and get going. Pick my bags up here and head up the stairs with these heavy bags. Do you know, whenever I'm taking a studio with heavy bags, you can guarantee that my day is going to be full of stairs. I don't know why that happens. A nice light camera on my shoulder, no stairs. Big heavy bags, lots of stairs. I don't know why that happens. Anyway, let's make our way through here, and oh, there's one of my pictures. Look, on a pull up there, home to the skilled workforce of tomorrow. Excellent. Right, we're committee room 1. It's just here. This is where we get the view, and hopefully we've got a nice empty room to do a picture of the mayor, set the lights up. But no, we haven't got an empty room. We've got a big oak table and chairs. This is going to be heavy. I'm going to need to move that. Oh no! So it's time to move the furniture and set up the lights. Get all these chairs out of the way. I'm going to put these lights up, these bowens. I'm going to put 2 flashes on. I need quite a lot of flashlight because look outside, it's bright sunshine. I'm going to have to put quite a lot of flash on to balance the light and get that castle in. Let's have a quick look at Dudley Castle through the window. There it is. It's quite a long way away. And the way that we're going to get that big on the picture is by using a 200mm lens and squeezing it in and making it bigger. So that's where the mayor's going to be standing. I'm going to have to go through that door because I'm going to use a 200mm lens. The only way that I can make this work and get the castle in. I also am going to put a white background up there because it's quick and easy to turn the lights around, and I have to do a portrait as well on a white background of the mayor for the mayoral poster. It just needs to be a cutout on a white background, and of another councillor as well that's coming up. And here's the councillor now that I need to do the ID picture for, and we can quickly do that, and that's done. So we can wait for the mayor. Pop these lights back into position for the mayoral photo. This is the main light, and we're all ready to go. No problems. Completely in control. Now I've just popped over to the mayor's office to let her know we're ready, but apparently she's beaten us to it. She's already there, so let's go back to the room and hopefully we'll find her there. Are we coming to the room? Madam Mayor, how are you? And congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
So we're going to do a portrait.
Yes,
right.
we are.
Okay,
yes.
So this is the
in the full
insignia. Absolutely, and we're going to pop that under that arm. Let's just see where you are in relation to the castle. Just bring that shoulder towards me a little bit, and a tiny little half step that way. That's it. And those can sort of. That's
it.
it.
Bit. This is a tricorn hat.
So if we have those. Over your hand there, that's it, and the hands go together. That's lovely. I'll just put that into the middle. That's just take your hand there, just pop that into the middle, the insignia, just that way a little bit. That's it, perfect. Okay, we're there, so that sits under there, your hands coming in just together. looking in here. Now I can't focus on anything because you're silhouetted, so I'm going to have to trust my lighting. Now, as I said before, to get that castle big on the picture, I've got to squeeze it in with a long lens, a 200mm lens, which means I'm not even in the room with the mayor. Look, I'm way outside, up against the wall in the background, but it's giving me the ability to squeeze the picture and use the magnification of the lens to make the castle much bigger. The mayor is silhouetted, so autofocus is not an option. Onto manual focus here and trust the lighting. There you go, there's the mayor's portrait, and with the castle nice and big in the window behind thanks to the 200mm lens, and there's the one for the hallway downstairs, a 3/4 shot. That's exactly what we need, and there's nothing left now but to wish the worshipful mayor of Dudley, Councillor Anne Millward, a wonderful year in office. Well, I was pleased with those pictures, but that's not the end of it, because they're waiting for these pictures. There's a poster of all the councillors that the mayor's picture needs to go on, and it's actually at the print house ready to go, waiting for this picture to go into it. So we've got to pop back to the office now, get it downloaded and get that picture. We've got about 15 minutes to get them that picture. The whole thing today, we only had an hour window to get in, get all the kit, all the lights rigged up, the backgrounds sorted, the picture taken, de-rigged and back out again, and so now we're up against the clock editing the picture out, but that's okay, we're going to make that fine, everything is going to be fine, relax.